the age-old saying, you get what you pay for. And when it comes to carpet cleaning, this is very true. Now, the cheaper firms come in here, they may not even vacuum, they'll throw down a very strong chemical onto the carpet, okay, they won't even bother brushing it, and then they'll just rely on the wand, the carpet cleaning wand, to flush out the dirt using loads and loads of your water and loads of your electricity. Okay, it takes longer to do. What we do, we have a multi-stage process. We vacuum the carpet. We then use this pile lifter to then further extract hair and dirt. Okay, this is where the cleaning happens, right here. Okay, the last stage is going to be flushing out the dirt. Okay, but a multi-stage clean saves water and electricity. Okay, and it gets better results. And not only does it get better results, it leaves the carpets drier because we're not having to use so much water. You get what you pay for. Okay, you don't walk into farm foods and expect Waitrose quality. Okay, if you want cheap when it comes to carpet cleaning, you will get cheap and nasty, unfortunately. So if you want better quality carpet clean, you're better off calling ProSteam UK. www.prosteamuk.com. Thanks for watching.